How much do you think this dill is worth at the grocery store?
I feel like it would be cents. $1 maximum.
It's actually $2.99.
How are we supposed to pay $2.99 for that?
How much do you think this bag of lettuce is worth at the grocery store?
$2.
$3.
$1.50.
It's actually $8.
As a college student, that's rough.
Do you feel like that's a ripoff?
Depends on how good the lettuce is, I guess.
How much do you think these strawberries cost at the grocery store?
In Texas, they'll be about $3.
$10?
$10 is unfortunately correct. How much do you think these cherry tomatoes are worth at the grocery store?
$2. $6.99.
$8.
They're actually $8. Would you buy it?
Can I see the weight?
You're looking.
Probably not.
How much do you think these jalapeno peppers cost at the grocery store?
$2.50.
$3.99. It's actually $5.
I usually go to the mercado. They just sell it for like $5 for like $1.
Yeah. Why do you think food is getting more expensive?
Economy's changing, things are going up, everything's going up.
Okay guys, let's get real. So, inflation is a rise in prices, which means a decline in people's purchasing power. Like if you wore red lipstick to impress the hottest girl in school, but then everyone started wearing red lipstick, you would have less power and lipstick would lose its value.
So why are we seeing super high prices for food right now? Well, the food supply is low. For one, transportation costs are higher. Did you know 80% of lettuce is consumed on the East Coast and 95% of it is produced on the West? You know what they say about long distance relationships. Another reason is to avoid food waste. As much as 40% of produce goes to waste from production to the shelf. Talk about getting all dressed up with nowhere to go.
And finally, the supply chain disruptions between COVID and the Russian war. Like Ukraine was the world's biggest wheat producer. People are having to go to other producers of wheat just to get it, and it's raising the cost. But before you resort to instant noodles, have you tried growing your own food?
How much do you think this dill is worth at the grocery store?
That dill, I'd almost say like $5.
It's actually $2.99.
That's still a terrible price. I would probably try to grow it myself. Like, you could grow dill,